Africa. Where una go get sense? Where una go get sense? And they do this video, they give some people when always they believe say document is the solution to all their problem. Where una go get sense? Where una go get sense? You go see some people for 5 years now, 6 years, they know the hustle, they know they do anything. Just ask a guy, how far? Why you know the hustle? You go say, my guy, document no day now. Now document be this country now. Now document they hustle.
Exactly.
Okay, you still tell and say, if you never get document, marry now. You go say, my guy, if I say you don't know the country where you deal. Where the woman dey? If you won't get woman, you need to get document now. Once you get 5 years now,
you are
woman
a failure.
problem.
You are a failure.
Once you get 5
you
years,
can
guess go dey rush you now. Woman go dey rush you.
You think say they wise?
This Europe now. Document be everything. Well, now go guess it. Well, now go guess it. Who tell you? Say na document be everything. You know how many people when you hold 5 years, they don't get serious relationship. You know how many people when they hold 5 years, they don't get serious relationship. They don't get. Even people, when you get wife for this country when they born, they don't get document. Majority of people when no get document, now they even marry, they born after they talk to you. You tell me say document. See, some people they if you get document, if you not get document, you born, you get children now. You go call your friend when you got document. You will return to Bono, they enjoy this country, now whole 5 years. You know what he go tell you? He go tell you, say, okay, you give me your wife and your picky, go collect 5 years. Then you tell me, say, now document, I be woman, everything. Where you go get sense? Where you go get me tell you? It will say, now document, now in the they carry get for this Europe, people for no they carry document put for pocket again. You go see person, you go use the tape, tie document put for head. Once you see that, hi babe, how are you? You will say fine. You will say, my name is John, but people call me Italia 5 years. Also, come hear me. Now then you go see person when you go come and you say, hi pretty, my name is Gostin, but people call me German 00, Italia 5 years, Austria Sojourner, but at the process they go so give me. Una go just take document like say the solution of all your problem. The day when they born you, they give you documents. Let me tell you the truth. Once you come this country, the first commission when you go, they not give you documents. He escape you. You come happy. The second time, they still give you negative. He escape you for the second time. My guy, go and hustle. Go and hustle. Go and hustle. Because people, when majority of people when they give document for this country, and once they go the first commission, then they give the document. All they do appeal the second one, they go give them. If you pass that second one and stress, you can't do. Just know say documents, for that period when you tell you come so document not be your first thing what you need. Because if not the first thing what you need, God for just give you. Go and hustle. I get friend when be say he did Italy go commission read 2 times. Now negative they give him. He go more for Italy, go Jamie. As he read Jamie after 4 years, now Italy call and say come collect 5 years. Where be say people wey dey the country for that Italy that they use money, they fight document every day. Person when abandon the document for 4 years, go another country, they come call me go collect the document. You know why I tell you that story? Because no they carry document for head until you just let that document matter go. Come on for your mind, focus on your hustle. Now after they will call you say come collect document. But if you dey focus on that document every blessed day, anything where they pursue always, that's what they put this here. Abandon document, go hustle, go find money. You know how many people did that house track when you they talk? They don't even get script. Come on for camp, go and hustle, and calm your hot temper down and change your character so that when you see woman when will marry you. Come on for camp. I don't tell you say just come on for camp. Abandon document, give lawyer, and go and hustle. Because some people just they go give lawyer document that made the fight. Even though say now 1 year 6 months result they come, they'll just sit that they wait for the result. See, let me tell you the reason why women they had some youth, because I don't check out for Africa. A lot of people for Africa they don't know how to treat women. You don't ever see where people will use bets pursue your wife come out for Europe. You will beat them because I see one video the other day for here. Because he say he get friend cheat on him. He gather all your friends. Make they come mess his girlfriend up. Then they pour out water. They use bed. They beat them. Only Africa that they treat women anyhow. They don't have respect for women. Where you don't go for Europe, when you say that they beat women anyhow. No, they don't. They maltreat women like that. Calm yourself down. You wait they toast woman. You go see boys. They go they toast woman now. They go humble. Once the girl don't submit for the boy, after 1 month, now beating. See where boy go they beat girl like this. Now fellow boy like her. They beat her. Even when you go they say, you say leave me. I will beat them. Like say, now boy in they follow the fight. Go they beat. Okay, just ask her now. What happen? What did this guy do you? You go say, can you imagine me when be the head of the house? Me when be man. I go they talk. This my woman go they talk back at me. Who are you? When they know they talk back at me. What do you have? What do you get? Okay, now because of the purpose when you're tired, like that make you a man. That make you they beat woman anyhow. So when you they beat woman anyhow. Only you get friend when you get they beat her anyhow. You never marry them. Why women not go run for you? Now only Africa see that they beat woman anyhow. They can beat woman. Don't they beat woman like that? They don't they beat woman anyhow. Even they say the woman offend you, find any other alternative to avoid the woman or to solve the issue. Don't they beat woman anyhow? That's why now they get problem with women. Women get this one spirit when they say that they always set with them. Once they know say you they beat women go they run for you. Women don't like me that they beat them. Now beating, now you want to encourage your woman. Now you want to advise your woman. You don't have any other way now to advise your woman. Now beating. Let me tell you, more you the bitter, more you go the stubborn. Yeah. You know they get women. Once you marry a woman, we just bless. We turn the woman like say na slave. Any small thing, me will be head of the house. Me will be head of the family. No, now the woman na the tail of our side. Now the kidney of our side now. Let me shock you. Go Europe now. They say Nigeria boys go they sell our sister. They sell their own sister, their own women. They go they sell and give Oyibo just because of money. And you they found Oyibo pint, you know see you. They say Oyibo, now they go still come our country Nigeria. Our guests go see they don't follow them. How they won't respect our women when we no feel respect our women? Would they say our women give people just because of money? Even come Ghana, all those Ghana, all those they to talk to their women they hard. Where we go get sense? Where we go get sense? Go Europe now. They say Nigeria. Now you go see man go send your wife when you marry. You go send her go outside. Me go hustle for night. Pikin go dey with am. The woman will go hustle. Oh, if we don't get sense this year, we never get sense again.